students. Today we are going to see about the universal law of gravitation under the chapter gravitation. And in this we have two objects, that is the object A of mass m1 and object B of mass m2. So there are two objects, object A and object B, and they have different masses m1 and m2, and it is separated by a distance, okay, and that distance is denoted by the letter, small letter d, okay. Two objects A and B of different masses m1 and m2, and it is separated by a distance called, that is small d. Now you have to derive the derivation for universal law of gravitation. That is, the force is the force of attraction or repulsion. Force of attraction or repulsion is directly proportional to. This is the symbol used for directly proportional to. So the force of attraction or repulsion is directly proportional to product of masses. Product of masses, that is m1 and m2, and it is inversely proportional to, that is square of distance between them. Square of distance between them. So product of masses directly proportional, and it is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Therefore, it can be written as F is directly proportional to m1 m2 divided by d square. Always you will have a proportionality constant, that is here it is called as G, gravitational constant, that can be written F is equal to G into m1 m2 divided by d square. This is your gravitational formula. F is equal to G into, G is the gravitation constant, and m1 and m2 are the two different objects and the distance between them. And here the constant value is 6.673 into 10 to the power of minus 11. It is the constant value. Are you able to understand? Is it clear? So it is two different masses of different objects, and it is separated by small distance d, and here it is directly proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to square of the object, and the formula can be written F is directly proportional to m1 m2 divided by d square, that is nothing but F is equal to G into m1 m2 divided by d square.